Vanakkam friends, welcome back to our channel. Here we are going to discuss what is the Nifty levels which we can expect during the upcoming week. The dates will be from 13th to 17th of December. For this, I have taken the Nifty daily charts. There are too many lines and curves drawn over here. Let me explain it, what are all the stuffs, and then we will explain about the levels. Okay, so this black color line, the curve which is in highlighted portion now, is the 20 moving average. This red line is the 50 moving average. This pink line is the 100 moving average, and then this blue line is the 10 moving average. Everything is in daily time frame. Okay, now if you look at the charts, this 10 moving average is in verge of crossing over the 100 moving average, which is a very good sign for bulls. To add on to this, there were two closes above the 20 moving average on Nifty spot. During Thursday and Friday as well, Nifty has closed above the 20 simple moving average on daily time frame, which is a very good sign. So what happens when it closes above a critical level? Obviously, it has to test the next zone, next level. Here, what is the next level? After 20, it is 50. So he is about to touch the 50 moving average. This red line is the 50 moving average, the red one which is highlighted here. This is the 50 moving average. Obviously, above 50, above 20, he has to go and test the 50 moving average. Breaking and closing above 50 moving average only will add more strength. Until then, it will be a choppy or yo-yo kind of move. It will be like a seesaw kind of move. It will not be like one-way kind of move. It will be a seesaw kind of move. One day upside, one day downside, or within the day itself, we will see good volatility on green and red side. Likewise, it will happen. So now we will drill down further and see the levels. Converted the same charts into 1 hour time frame. Let me make it 2 hours time frame, because all the levels will be seen for you at one go. Okay, now I have changed it into 2 hour time frame. Now see the moving average crossovers in the 2 hours time frame. 50 is below 20 and 20 is below 100. This is a very strong setup for bulls. So there are very less possibilities that we will fall back again. On the support, on the downside, the support levels will be the earlier resistance. I have been keep on insisting in daily opening views, saying that 17,214 to 216 will be a tough hurdle to break. It was mentioned throughout the week, previous week, and as well as 1 week before. The moment it crosses that particular level of 17,214, it becomes the support now. So as long as 17,214 to 216 level holds, we are good to see a bounce back on the higher side. And on the higher side, these are the levels which you can expect in near term. 17,614 will be the first hurdle to cross. Remember, this was the earlier support which we had from the zone, Nifty fell down from the 18,600. It fell down from 18,600 to 17,613 at one go, and then it was consolidating for a while, and then when it broke down the 17,613 zones, we have seen a steep fall of 800 points from there. Now this will become a very big hurdle to cross. After crossing this hurdle, we are expected to see 17,767. This was the 50 moving average level which I have marked in daily time frame. If you go back to the daily time frame and see there, you will be able to see this particular level exactly coinciding with the 50 moving average. So this will be the first hurdle to cross. Beyond this level, we can expect a move till 18,010. That is a difficult task as of current situation, but if Nifty is able to manage to give a close above 17,767, at least for one day, daily close, I am saying, not about the hourly close, I am saying about the daily close. If we are able to make a close above 17,767, to be precise, let's make it as a fancy number, 17,777. If that level holds on closing basis, we will see a move towards 18,010. Now, everyone's question will be, based on this, what we need to trade for next week. As of yesterday's night 11:30 p.m. close, Singapore Nifty is showing a 80 point green tick, but things will definitely change on Monday at 6:40 a.m. when it opens. It might be either a further addition of 10, 20 or 30 points, or this might drop. If it goes on the higher side, we are supposed to wait for a dip towards 17,500 zones, 500 to 520 zones, and then we need to create a long. On the other hand, if it opens flat or with marginal negative bias, we can take this straddle 17,600 call and 17,500 put. As of yesterday's close, this is not the close, this is the last tick. Maybe the adjusted rates will have a variation of few points, plus or minus 5 to 7. So this particular thing, if Nifty opens flat on Monday at 9:15, both sides the premium will get eroded at least by 10 to 15%. On that case, you can take this position, both 17,600 call and 17,500 put. The combined premium should not exceed 160 to 170. It should not exceed 170. It's not worth taking beyond 170, because our higher side target is one-sided target of 300. So it is not worth taking position more than 170 rupees. So probably if there is a dip or flat kind of opening, we can try to play this straddle. If there is a gap up opening, then we need to wait for a dip towards previous day's close, which is 17,511. Somewhere near that plus or minus 5 to 10 points, we can initiate a long. Over there we can go over long, only long. Don't short over there. Short in the sense, I am not suggesting a P. If there is a gap up opening and then market falls towards the 17,500 levels, then we can initiate only long. Only if there is a flat opening or a marginal negative kind of opening, we can go for this strategy. Hope I am clear how to react or how to trade based on the levels which we have given. So if you are a newcomer, please subscribe our channel. I will give the our Telegram channel links as well in the description of this particular video. Please subscribe and join that channel as well, wherein you will get live market updates during market hours. And thanks to all who have voted for the poll which we have conducted in Telegram channel regarding the traders psychology. So majority of you have voted for have a session. Let me plan with some interesting contents which will change your life once after attending that session. I will come up with interesting contents and then will post the dates when we can have that session in our Telegram group itself. Hence, do not worry about it. For now, have a good day. Bye. See you all in the next video of Bank Nifty levels.